Welcome to the YouTube channel of ForestGPT. ForestGPT is an AI, an artificial intelligence that will help you write or draft flawless and professional letters for the forest department. No matter from which division you belong, no matter from which circle you belong, which state you belong, it will work accordingly. Okay, now this is when you log in ForestGPT, you will get this interface. This is the interface. Okay, it's a small presentation. Let me just read it for you. I hope you will understand what ForestGPT is all about and why you should use ForestGPT. Now, as the presentation goes, welcome to ForestGPT. It's your assistance for writing flawless and professional letter for forest department. ForestGPT also helps the forest department create or generate stunning wildlife images with a simple text prompt. Now, what is prompt? Prompt is nothing but a set of instruction which you are giving to ForestGPT, and it will work accordingly. The more you fine tune your prompt, the more fine results you will get from ForestGPT, whether it's your letter or you are creating any image of a wildlife scenario. Okay, now why we will use ForestGPT? Because ForestGPT can write professional letter instantly within seconds, which normally as human we can take minimum of 15 minutes, 20 minutes or even 30 minutes. At times the letters are so complicated, it takes 45 minutes also to draft a proper professional and a flawless letter. Now this 30 minutes or 40 minutes is saved, because ForestGPT will draft you the flawless and professional official letter within seconds. So it will save you lots and lots of time. Now those time you can dedicate to other work in your department, right? So to save your time and to increase your productivity, you can use ForestGPT. Okay. Now how it works? First of all, you have to go to any browser of your choice, be it Bing, Chrome, Firefox, whatever the browser is. In the search bar, you have to type ForestGPT, or I will give you the link. It's better. I'll give you the link. Click on the link, you will come to this page over here, ForestGPT, as you can see it. Okay. Or else if you want to just without clicking any link, you want to go and use ForestGPT, it's public now and it's free of cost. So go in your browser, type for chatgpt.com. I hope so you have heard about ChatGPT, the sensation from OpenAI, correct? So when you enter ChatGPT, when you register in ChatGPT, if you haven't registered, you can register. It's free of cost with your Gmail ID, Google IDs. Okay. Once you register over there, once you come in the ChatGPT playground, in the dashboard, just in the search bar, type ForestGPT. F would be capital and GPTs will be in capital. Okay. And when you hit enter, you will come to this page, this ForestGPT. Okay, this is the interface of ForestGPT. Have a look. Now, who can be benefited from this? Obviously, the forest department officials and employees, conservationists and researchers, and wildlife enthusiasts and artists. Okay, it depends how you use ForestGPT, but practically we use it for writing professional letters, and in some scenario we create some wildlife imaginary images. Okay, so this was a small introduction about ForestGPT. I hope you have understood what ForestGPT is and how it works, how you will get its access. I repeat, to get it access through browser, you can go to any browser. In the search bar, just type chatgpt.com. When you enter ChatGPT, if you have already registered, well and good. If you haven't registered, just go and register or sign up using your free Gmail IDs. Okay. Now, once you are in the ChatGPT platform or in the dashboard, you will get a search option. In the search option, just type ForestGPT and hit enter, and you will get this ForestGPT. It is the interface of ForestGPT. Okay. So please try to use ForestGPT, as it will really save lots and lots of your time, and your productivity will increase. Okay. And thanks for watching this channel. If you have any problem in operating ForestGPT, or if you have any problem in prompting, don't feel shy to leave a comment below. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.